Dr. Selina. I'm founder of Disruptive Doctors. At Disruptive Doctors, our mission is to build and cultivate agility, innovativeness, and tech savviness in doctors across the globe so that they can disrupt healthcare. Now, with the contract system, more and more doctors are leaving the government system at a much younger age and with way lesser experience. Now, once a doctor leaves the government into a private practice, they're pretty much on their own, right? If the onus is on them to continuously upgrade themselves and learn what's the latest treatment and procedures out there. And most of them will not have easy access to experts to ask questions when they're stuck. That's why we organize workshops like this to help doctors upskill themselves and connect them to experts that are out there so that they can provide better service and care for their patients in their clinic.
The hands-on session was the one that was really beneficial, especially for me because I'm not very familiar with using an ultrasound. I'm more confident now with using the ultrasound shields.
The person who's teaching you is actually basically teach you from A to Z what we should do during the ultrasound.
I would definitely recommend it to others, especially with general practitioners.